Welcome to 13.4. This is Law of Sines. We're going to be able to find missing side lengths on any type of triangle. So first, here's a triangle. Notice that capital A, B, and C, those are angles, whereas lowercase a, b, and c are side lengths. Capital A is across from lowercase a, capital B is across from lowercase b, and capital C is across from lowercase c. So think opposites here. Don't focus on like where these letters are specifically located. It's just their opposites. So if you see angle B, then the opposite side is lowercase b. The formula for law of sines is lowercase a over sine of capital A. So side length over sine of capital letter, or angle. Same with B, same with C. Again, don't focus too much on where they're located. In all honesty, these could be reciprocals. It could be sine A over lowercase a. It's all about opposites. Alright, so it says find angle C. So first let's label our triangle, lowercase a, b, and c. Then we're going to fill in as much information into the law of sines as we can. Lowercase a is 21, capital A is 67, lowercase b is nothing, so it's b, capital B is nothing, so it stays b, lowercase c is 18, capital C stays C. Now this is a proportion, but we have too many fractions. One of these fractions is not used. We always use the fraction that has both numbers in it, so we're going to use A because it's 21 over sine 67. Then we're going to use the fraction that has the angle we're solving for. So angle C is what we're solving for. So we're going to use 18 over sine C, so we don't need B over sine B. Here now we cross multiply, so it's 18 times sine of 67 equals 21 times sine of C. To solve for C, we divide by 21. And to get rid of sine, we do the inverse. So C is the sine inverse of 18 times sine of 67 divided by 21. And we type that into our calculator and get 52.1 degrees. Law of sines by sides, we do the same thing. We find our A, our B, and our C. Fill in as much information as we can. We have lowercase a is 34. We have capital. We don't have lowercase b. We don't have lowercase c. Capital A is 96. Capital B is 26. What we're going to use, we need to find AC, which is lowercase b. So we're going to use A and B. Cross multiply, we get b times sine of 96 equals 34 times sine of 26. To get b by itself, we divide by sine of 96. Type that straight into our calculators, 34 times sine of 26 divided by sine of 96, and we get 15.0. Last type of question with law of sines here is to solve the triangle. To solve the triangle, we need to find every single part. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do law of sines. I have capital A, I have capital B, and I don't have capital C. But I can find capital C. Let's fill out A, B, C. And we can fill in all of our information. We don't have lowercase a or b, but we have C is 17. We have capital A is 96, capital B is 56. To find capital C, we just do 180 minus 56 minus 96, because triangles, the angles add up to 180. So we find that angle C is 28 degrees. We fill that in as well. I'm going to first use law of sines using A and C. So we have A over sine 96, 17 over sine 28. We can also set up another equation where we solve for B. And we're just going to solve both these law of sines questions. So we cross multiply. You get A sine 28 equals 17 sine 96 divided by sine of 28, and we get 36.0. Do the same thing for B. We get B sine 28 equals 17 sine 56 divided by sine of 28, and we get 30.0. And that is it for law of sines. Good luck on the practice.